EA Golf TV.
My name's Ali Orende. I started playing golf at Vet Club. That was like 8 years ago. I used to be a caddy at Vet Club. Yeah, and okay, I never used to take the game seriously until 2005. Just after I had an accident, I was attacked and I almost lost my 2 fingers. Yeah, so after that, it took me about 2-3 years having my hands being done, surgeries and everything. And then I started now taking the game serious because I thought it was a blessing in disguise, having just escaped this serious thing. Yeah. So I took up the game seriously in 2008. When I finished school, yeah, and you know, my dad passed away a long time ago, yeah. So when I cleared school, I used to stay in Upper Kabete campus. So there's a club there, the Vet Club Golf Club. So when I cleared school and my mom was struggling, you know, she couldn't even afford to pay for my college education. And I realized, you know, I can't just sit at home doing nothing. And I used to see my friends, they go to the golf club. I didn't even know anything about being a caddy. So I used to see my friends, they go there, they come back with money. So what motivated me to go to the club basically was to earn a living. Yeah? That's where I went and I spoke to the pro there then, and they allowed me, you know, you can come in and start caddying. Yeah? And it wasn't easy because my mind, I always wanted to go to college and do something else. Yeah? I didn't believe golf is a game for young people. I always thought it's a game for old men. Yeah? So I didn't take it seriously per se. Yeah? I only wanted to earn my cash and maybe pay for my college education and get out of it. Yeah? So I kept on caddying for some time, and I used to play once in a while and people used to tell me, you're talented, come on, take it seriously, but I never believed I could take this game seriously. Yeah? So until my accident, that's when I decided to take it seriously. Yeah? And it was okay after that. The talent was there. I was playing good golf. Yeah? And then somewhere along the line, I think that was the lowest point in my career. Yeah? I just got frustrated completely with this game. Yeah? I lost the focus completely. Yeah? I was like handicap 0. I just realized my handicap is going up. I went to 3 handicap. Yeah? And I couldn't train. Yeah? I didn't feel like, you know, I lost it completely. And there's a time I even spoke to one of the players. He's called Bonfacimo. He used to be my partner at Vet Club. Yeah? And I told him, you know, I think I'm going to sell my kit and I'm quitting this game. Yeah? And I think if it wasn't for him, yeah, because he told me, no, you're not doing this. Yeah? You're not. He insisted you have to carry on. It doesn't matter how bad it is. Yeah? You have to carry on. And the rest is history. Yeah? But I believe that was the lowest point in my life in golf. Yeah? Not tournaments, you lose some, you win some. Yeah? You've seen Tiger, there it is right now. Yeah? But I don't believe if you keep on losing tournaments, yeah, you should give up on it. Something else can make you lose your focus, because this game is 90% mental. Yeah? If you have issues in life, yeah, maybe you feel things are not going the right way, yeah, it's gonna trickle down to your game. Yeah? And that's when I really thought I was done with golf. And I have to thank my friend because of him. Yeah? I'm now a professional right now. I turned pro in 2011 in April. As of now, I'm a golf pro based at Golf Park. Yeah, because I've been working here for the past 9 years. But I used to play for Vet Club because they picked me to play for them to represent the club, because I was doing very well, and they thought, you know, it's high time they tapped some talent from outside. And me being a former caddy there, they gave me an honorary membership. My biggest achievement in golf was when I was an amateur. Yeah? For me, I was part of the Kenya team that won the Zone 6 for the first time in 21 years. Yeah? And we were playing at Botswana, and South African, they're always winning this thing. And this time we beat them in southern part of Africa. So for me, that was the biggest achievement. Yeah. And basically, I think the year 2010 for me was my best year in golf. Yeah. I joined the Kenya team in 2009, and we won the Zone 6. I was the first longest drive tournament in the Kenya Open sponsored by Safaricom. I was the winner that year. Yeah. So I think basically as an amateur, that's when I had the biggest achievement. I haven't been able to play so many tournaments as a pro, but I'll be starting very soon.
EA Golf TV.